The sun is screaming. You just can't hear it. Space has no air, no medium, no way for sound to travel. Total silence for millions of miles. But inside the sun, it's a completely different story. Plasma churns, rises, and crashes back down. And that chaos creates real acoustic waves. These are called P-modes, pressure waves. Millions of them, bouncing inside the sun like sound in a giant bell, reflecting off the surface, refracting back inward, over and over. Scientists measured the surface moving, just half a meter per second, using shifts in light itself. Then they sped it up 42,000 times. And for the first time, we could hear it. This isn't sound traveling through space. It's a map. These vibrations reveal the sun's hidden layers, its rotation, its core, its convection zone, more precisely than any telescope could see. The sun has been ringing for 4.5 billion years. We just learned how to listen. And deep in its core, the music is still waiting to be heard. Follow for more.